All right, so we're going to take a quick look at the Coquimbo Sewing Kit. This is the case and what it looks like. Pretty standard case. So let's open this up. All right, this is what it looks like when you open it up. You can see the wide selection of the different colors. We have black, white, red, pink, and many other colors for your sewing needs. And we also have a tape measure, or yeah, a little roll of tape to measure things. And we also have the pins that you would need to pin down your certain cloths or fabrics. And we can see the different type of needles right here. There are a lot of needles. There are, as you see, 30 assorted needles. We have a thimble right there. We have a threader for the needle right over there. And we have scissors underneath this right here to snip your thread. And there's also extra buttons and a variety of other tools that you would need for your sewing needs. So be sure to check this out, the Coquimbo Sewing Kit.